Danny. Come on down, hon. Come on down, Danny. Come on, sweetie. Danny. Come here, babe. Come on, pumpkin. Come on, sweetie. You can do it. He's a little shy coming down there. Come on, honey. He can jump down. Good boy. Come on, pumpkin. Good boy. Come on, sweetie. Say hello. Hi, honey. Aww. He's a good boy. He loves to be pets. He loves to get pets. Don't ya? Say yeah, I smush you right down for pets. Oh, he's a very good boy. He's a very good boy. Danny's waiting for his new home. Right there. Yeah. He's a good boy. Very sweet young bunny. Named Danny. Say, where's my new family?